The coin market cap is used to summarize everything that is said in this movie. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about cryptocurrencies in general. Now look at these XRP users. I chance as CC Ripple settlement reports get stronger, the paper that was made public has given the rumors that have been going around about the final decision that will be made in the SEC vs. Ripple cases more information. Recent drops in prices make it look like the market can respond to what's happening in the case. It's likely that buyers are not optimistic about XRP, according to Colin Brown. A lot of traders are likely to hold on to XRP in the hopes of getting a good deal. Since the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission sued Ripple, the price of XRP has been going up because traders are waiting for the market to make a decision. There has been a lot of talk about what happened after a report was found to have been leaked in the crypto world, with the letter that Vanessa Countryman, the Secretary of the Securities and Exchange Commission, was reported to have written. It was possible that the meeting itself was the turning point in the long legal battle that Ripple and the SEC had been in. The story felt hopeful because of this. When the meeting comes together, these four things should be talked about that were made on July 25, 2024, including the start of injunctive actions and the steps that will be taken to settle them, as well as problems related to the resolution of lawsuit claims and the enforcement processes. Because of this, a lot of people who use and keep XRP, as well as people who are interested in cryptocurrencies, have started to think that the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC might soon be able to make a deal with Ripple. This kind of resolution could end the case that has been casting a shadow over XRP for a long time. Based on reactions from the market and experts' points of view, the excitement surrounding the conference has already had a big effect on how the XRP market has been performing. There was a $7,200 XRP problem in July because of early rumors of a meeting that was being held behind closed doors. The meeting was supposed to happen, but it wasn't. XRP is worth 58 cents right now, and CoinMarketCap says that it has been traded for $2 billion in the last 24 hours. Right now, XRP is worth 10% less than it did when it was first released. It is now worth $32 billion on the market, which is $9.96 billion less than it was before. Traders are keeping a close eye out for any signs of a deal, which could have an even bigger effect on the price of the asset. Colin Brown, a blockchain technology researcher, and other analysts have come to the conclusion that if the SEC meeting goes well, it could lead to other possibilities for XRP. Brown specifically points out that traders may want to start growing their holdings in XRP right now to take advantage of the expected good outcome. While this is true, there is always some risk involved, and the meeting results are always a surprise. This is because the market for future goods and services is seasonal. Frederick Rispoli, a well-known and respected lawyer for XRP, said again that he thinks there will be a big change between the Ripple CC lawsuit and the possible remedies finding soon. The CC's case against Ripple has had a big effect on the price of XRP, which is still all over the place. Any decision about the case could cause prices to go up by a large amount. In a post that came out on X on July 31st, a well-known XRP lawyer called Fred Rispoli emphasized what he had said before. This prediction would make things a lot better in the current court case between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. I don't have much time left to make my 731 guess about the remedies decision. He talked about XRP. It's getting really early. There were new expert materials released by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission and Ripple filed a move to strike against them on April 29th this year. This motion, which is still waiting for Judge Sarah Netburn's ruling, is very important because it could have a big effect on the range of punishments and options for getting help. If Judge Sarah Netburn ruled in favor of Ripple on this motion, Judge Torres would not have to make any more decisions about it. A lawyer for XRP recently came up with the idea that the move that is still being considered might not stop a final decision from being made on the remedies and penalties. Judge Torres could make a decision on these things before Netburn makes a decision on the move. A member of the XRP community named Alex Satino said that he would always back Fred Rispoli. Lawyer saying, "Thank you, Alex. Unfortunately for me, I play by the rules of the Price is Right. This means that even if the decision is on August 1st, and I was off by one day, I still lost more than anyone who had a prediction for August." In reaction to a question about how long it would take Judge Torres to answer the phone, Rispoli said, "I've seen some courts take a whole year to make a decision. Don't worry about that. It won't take that long here. It can't go on for more than 3 months, so the earliest it could be is September." Ripple's price has changed a lot over the past few years because of the SEC's case against the company. Crypto News Flash released a report saying that XRP's volatility is at its lowest level in several years. The report also said that any settlement in the case could lead to a parabolic rally in the future. The most current report from CNF says that strong support from bulls caused the price of XRP to rise to 65 cents earlier this week. As of the time this article was written, the price of XRP had dropped by 7% due to the general market sell-off. There were new reports about an XRPC settlement when the blockchain company saw a huge amount of XRP coins being released from escrow. The huge unlock has led to a lot of talk about a possible end to the ongoing court battle between the US and Ripple. SAC stands for Securities and Exchange Commission. Even so, the price of XRP went down because of the attorney's view on the XRP settlement with the SEC. It was possible to get about $297.74 million worth of XRP, which is equal to 500 million XRP. The price of XRP dropped by 8 because of this move. As Coinbase had already said, the price of XRP has also gone through the psychological support level of 6 cents. The Securities and Exchange Commission wants Ripple to pay a big fine of $1 billion plus interest for what they say are violations. The blockchain company, on the other hand, has said in public that $10 million is the most it will accept. It was thought that the SEC and XRP would not be able to reach a deal. Bill Morgan last week talked to an expert who backs XRP. The information given is not meant to be taken as trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making any investment decisions, you should definitely do your own study in the Afro consulting with a professional who knows what they're talking about.